See Weather Lab. Here's Eric's forecast.
With the temperatures falling this evening, it was a perfect night for a big pot of gumbo or maybe some hot chocolate to try and warm up, as we have fallen into the mid 40s, and we'll drop another 10 degrees probably by the time you wake up tomorrow morning. So get the heavier coats, maybe even the hats and gloves ready to start off for your Wednesday. Another cool day tomorrow, but then we gradually start to warm up as we head towards the weekend, and then rain chances start to return to the forecast by about Saturday. Taking a look at the big picture on the upper level water vapor imagery, we're seeing this trough over the East Coast. That's bringing the cooler temperatures in and down across a good portion of the Gulf Coast, and that will be sticking with us for at least another day before it slides off to the east and we start to get more of an onshore flow by about Thursday afternoon, starting to warm us up. But our next weather maker is still out into the Pacific Ocean, as this big upper level low starting to get cut off, and that's kind of slowing down the timing, which is pushing back when it might arrive for our area. I'll have a little bit more on that in a little bit, but you can see already bringing plenty of moisture into California as we got some heavy rains back through the Bay Area, San Francisco, up across northern portions, and then extending down towards Los Angeles, also producing some heavy snows back towards the Sierra Nevadas. They could see more than a foot of snow, so the ski resorts are starting to enjoy that as the snow is piling up. We had clear skies today. We do have some clouds up across the northern portion of the state, but they're not going to make their way in, so with clear skies, temperatures will continue to fall tonight. We officially made it up to 59 degrees here in Lafayette this afternoon. Still about 10 degrees cooler than where we were yesterday, and a lot cooler than where we were over the weekend when we got into the lower 80s. Right now we have 45 degrees, but you can see some lower 40s for rain down to Abbeville. 43 right now in New Iberia, while it's 35 in Alexandria. So that's that cold air, and it's going to continue to make its way all the way down. Overnight lows across northern portions up near the freezing mark. I do think they get below it towards Alexandria. So frost a good possibility across northern portions of Acadiana, and even along the interstate you can see our temperatures will be getting into those mid 30s, so a nice frost to start off for our Wednesday. Cover those sensitive plants and bring the pets inside so they have a warm place to stay. And even all the way down towards the Gulf Coast, you can see mid 30s towards Kaplan all the way down to Morgan City. So a very chilly start to our Wednesday, but with lots of sunshine again, it should warm up into the mid to upper 50s. So very similar to today, maybe feel a touch warmer as the winds begin to relax a little bit. And then going into our Thursday, still another very chilly night. Lows getting down into those 30s, especially north of Highway 190. Briefly getting into the 30s here in Lafayette, but by the time we're waking up, lower 40s. So still might want to have the heavier jackets one more day. But as I mentioned, we start to get that southerly flow by Thursday afternoon, and temperatures pushing the low to mid 60s. But we will start to have some cloud cover returning as the models are beginning to show that. More of those mid to high level clouds kind of blocking out some of that sunshine. By Friday, that's when it does look like some of the moisture starts to work in. It's going to start back over Texas towards Dallas around 7 o'clock in the morning. So no issues for the morning commute on Friday, just a good bit of cloud cover around and a little bit warmer temperatures, as we'll be right near 50 degrees. So a little bit warmer by Friday morning, and then during the afternoon, again, most of the moisture stays off to our west as it's kind of being between two systems. As high pressure to the north, bringing the cool air down, and the low pressure moving through Mexico. It gets closer to us heading into the evening, so you can see around 9 o'clock Friday evening, a few light scattered showers are now beginning to work in. So if you have some Friday night plans, keep that in mind. You might want to take the umbrella with you, but it does look like heavier rain stay off to the west for most of the Friday. But into the overnight hours and early Monday or Saturday, it starts to move in across the good portions of Acadiana. And then during the late morning into the early afternoon, that's when we could see some rounds of heavier showers pushing into the region, as we have the darker shades showing up with the reds and even purples. This looks to be more or less heavy rain. Not expecting a whole lot of severe weather with this, but we can't rule out a couple strong thunderstorms possibly, especially down closer to the Gulf Coast where we might have a little better dynamics. But it looks to be more of a heavy rain event Saturday into Saturday afternoon. Clearing out, pushing into the evening with breezy conditions continuing for our Sunday, with then very cold air moving in as highs will only be into the upper 40s for afternoon highs come Sunday into Monday. So here's a look at your rainfall totals. It does look like a good soaking, anywhere from 2 to 4 inches for a good portion of Acadiana. So flash flooding could be a concern. This is the European numbers. We'll take a look at the GFS as well. They've kind of backed off a little bit, but you can still see anywhere from 1 to 3 inches. So it does look like a good bit of rain will be heading our way. And if we get some of those, the train over the same locations, it wouldn't be out of the question of 4 to 5 inches in some spots, which really could lead to that flash flood flooding, so we'll have to keep an eye on that as it gets closer to us. But a cold night, near freezing temperatures, 35 for that overnight low with frost likely across a good portion of the area. After the chilly start, it should feel nice in the sunshine. Tomorrow afternoon we'll go 58 for a high. Again, not as breezy, so it should feel a little bit more comfortable. Mid-60s Thursday and Friday. There's that rain returning on Saturday. Looks like a good bit of rain, 2 to 4 inches. And then another shot of cool air behind it Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday before back into the 60s with another chance of showers by next Thursday.
All right, Eric, thanks.